favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Beaufort County in southeast South Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms along a line extending from 9 miles south of Ladies Island to 24 miles southwest of Ladies Island, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, golf ball size hail. Some locations in the warning include Fripp Island, Ladies Island. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for extreme north-central Chatham, extreme southeastern Bullock, and central Effingham counties. At 3:22 p.m.